Want to create high-quality CGI ads for your own products or earn big by making ads for others? In this video, I'll show you how to do it using AI tools, quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, head over to aiease.AI. This website offers powerful AI tools for editing images with ease. Now, go to the AI editor and select Background Remover. Click on Remove Background for free and upload your product image. Within seconds, the background is gone. Super easy, right? Next, click on AI Background. You have two options. Use custom prompt to generate a background or select from ready-made templates. I'll go with this template. Now click Generate, and in just a few seconds, our product ad image is ready. Time to download it. Now, let's go to ChatGPT. Upload the image and ask it to write a compelling video prompt for you. In seconds, ChatGPT gives us an engaging ad prompt. Let's use this for our next step. Now, go to pixverse.AI and upload the image. Once uploaded, copy and paste the script from ChatGPT here. You can also enable auto sound for added impact. Now, click Create. And in just moments, our CGI ad is generated. And there you have it, a professional-looking CGI ad in minutes. Now, use it to promote your own products or sell your ad creation skills on marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork. Want more AI-powered design tricks? Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing tutorials. Comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.